Okay, it's that time of the week again. It's Time Trial Tuesday. So we're going to go into Time Attack. We're in the MX-5. Let's see what we're doing this week. So we've got Tsukuba. I can't quite pronounce it, but I think the T is silent. Tsukuba circuit, the full circuit. And the time to beat 102.3. Someone from our group, Lee, is in 102.7. John done a 103.5. So where can we get to? Can we get into the twos? I think that's the target, isn't it? Getting into the twos. We'll see. I'll see you on track. Okay then. So looks like we're doing a full warm-up lap. So that'll be interesting. Let's see how we get on with that. And we're looking at a 102 something. That's what we're hoping for. Just get the tyres nice and warm. I quite like this track. It's quite simple. I think I did a race around here earlier in the week. Just on my own, I think. This will be a key point, not to go off there. I've got an off track already. Just getting the tyres nice and warm. And then the fast corner onto the straight is going to be tricky as well, I think. So just standard setup. Yeah, 102.3, that's what we're looking for.
Green, green, green.
I always brake just by that blue bale. And then it's how much can you get on the power without going off. Obviously a lot more than that. Tyres aren't quite ready, I don't think. And I haven't really maximised my speed through there, certainly. Gosh, already 0.73 down. And then it's early on the power there without getting too far out. Obviously I'm a bit slow through there, so I'm a bit slow over at the moment. But we all start off like that, don't we? See if we can get better. It's a short lap. We're already a long way off. I'm sure we will get better. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Thought I'd gone up another gear and I hadn't. Okay, well, let's get onto the straight and get going. See if we can get a bit closer this time.
2, 5, 1.
Okay, so he's very fast into there. Okay, not too bad to that. Losing a little bit, but it is a short lap, so we should get close. I would hope. Going to be less than a second away, certainly. Like I say, it's how quickly can you get on the power.
3.356.
I think going in and coming out earlier, braking a bit earlier than he is. He's braking very late. Maybe that's the way, I don't know. A bit closer this time. Out of there well, didn't they? Got on the power quicker than me. Yeah, he's really got away, hasn't he? Yeah, we're having to wait to get on the power. So I got the line wrong there.
3.286.
Okay. Not quite in the twos, are we? Got the power a bit better there. So I'm matching him through this section. Lost a little bit there. 0.2, look, 2.5. Still losing. Okay, a little bit better. A little bit better.
0.088.
Hey. Okay. Nearly into the twos. We'll keep going. I'll see you at the start. Okay, back at the start then. See if we can live with him.
926.
I think the tyres might have got a bit hot. Okay, I'm going to reset. I'll see you at the start. Okay, we're coming around to the start. I did a couple of warm-up laps because the tyres weren't ready. The first lap round. Just understeered around this corner. It's a bit better now. See if we can live with him.
833.
Okay, very different line that time. Not so good. Next time round then. Tyres should be pretty much ready, I think. Nice and warm, not too hot.
Three point 328.
That's as close as we've been, isn't it? Too much curb probably there, but anyway, we're still going. Yeah, he's quicker through there, isn't he? Much quicker. Not 0.2 quicker. That's from losing a lot of time just there. And a bit there, oh, a bit closer.
2.907.
Be off track. Well, we'll do one more lap after this one. I think that's probably it. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to reset. Cool the tyres down. And then one last go. Okay, I've tried to warm the tyres up on the on this lap, so we'll see if I've got enough grip. Actually, it's not too bad. I haven't got the right line, have I, into there? I need to be able to get on the power and not come off it again. Yeah. Look at that, I was going slow onto the straight already. Next lap then. Okay, tyres should be ready. I think this is it. Decent run onto the straight.
3.255.
Not quite as close as we have been, but we're not too far off. Sort of there. Oh, he gets away from me every time there, doesn't he? Don't think we're any closer, are we? What's he doing here that I'm not then? And I'm a bit closer, I think.
2.955.
Actually, I was a lot closer. No, not closer. Thought I was closer then, but I'm not. Oh, not quite close enough, are we? We just lose it all in that last sector. Yeah.
2.916.
Yay. Yeah, I can't quite get that last little bit. Yeah. We'll finish this lap and then have one more Banzai run. So I'll do one more lap after this one and not, I'll just throw caution to the wind and see if it makes any difference. I'll also put the brake balance just 2 clicks forward as well, see if that makes any difference. Okay. Good run onto the straight.
3.653. The officials are telling us they won't accept the way you're driving.
Okay. I think that's it.
Until you reset the car and try.
I think that's it. Got my new livery on. What do you think? Do you like that? I spent a bit of time on trading paints, just making some updates. Got a new logo. So yeah, been doing that today. Anyway, looks good when it crashes. Right, let's have a look at where we got to then. Okay then, Tsukuba Circuit. 13th. 102.9. So we got into the 102s. Yeah, couldn't. We got close. I think we did quite a few 102.9s. I think I'd need to have a lot more practice to sort of get it even further down. 95%. So it's a bit better than we did last week at Alton Park. Not as good as we've done at a couple of the other circuits, but I think that's it for me today. Anyway, next week, Lime Rock Park. Love Lime Rock Park, so that'll be fun. That's a fast old track. So we'll see how we get on there. But for now, give it a go. Just Tsukuba and all the others as well. See how quick you are. Post your times. Join our Discord and you can have a chat about it in there as well. But yeah, it's good fun. It's a good way of just testing where you stack up. And I'm stacking up. I'm unlucky for some at the moment, 13th. Anyway, Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.